Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup BigQuery ML models with model export routines, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup BigQuery ML models, start by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section. Locate the dataset that contains the ML model you want to backup. Identify the specific model you wish to export. Use the Export Model command to initiate the export process. Specify the name of the model along with the model type in your query. Decide on the destination for the exported model. The destination can be a cloud storage bucket or another BigQuery location. Ensure you have the necessary permissions for the destination. Run the export command in the BigQuery query editor. Monitor the job status to confirm successful completion of the export. Once the export is complete, navigate to your chosen storage location. Verify that the exported model files are present. Consider organizing your exported models for easy retrieval. Document the model version and export date for future reference. Regularly backup your models to maintain an up-to-date repository. Test the backup process periodically to ensure it works flawlessly. Following these steps will help secure your BigQuery ML models. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.